Well, a man convicted of murder in Tulsa County is going to stay in prison after the Supreme Court's most recent ruling on tribal jurisdiction. That man's attorney is no longer asking to have those charges dropped because the Supreme Court ruled just last week the state can prosecute non-Native Americans if the victim is Native American. News on 6's Jonathan Cooper is live at the Tulsa County Courthouse with what all this means for the case. Jonathan?
Lori, the district attorney's office says this is the first case in Tulsa County that is directly impacted by the Supreme Court's decision in Castro Huerta. Sherman Blaylock and his family are breathing a sigh of relief tonight.
What a great win. And I mean, I'm very thankful for the Supreme Court, very thankful for Tulsa.
5 years after his mother, Jeannie, was murdered, he says a weight has finally been lifted off of his shoulders. This afternoon, the attorney for one of the men convicted of killing Jeannie withdrew his request to have the case dismissed.
5 years later, I can say, thank God.
This all started on May 18th, 2017, when 14-year-old Jaden Herring, along with 3 others, randomly targeted Jeannie to rob her. She fought back, and one of the teens shot and killed her. All 4 pled guilty, and Herring was sentenced to life in prison. But after the Supreme Court's McGirt ruling, which ruled the state lacked prosecuting jurisdiction since Jeannie was Native American, Herring's attorney requested that his state sentence be dismissed.
Mr. Herring's attorney chose not to file a McGirt motion until after sentencing.
Last week, though, the Supreme Court narrowed the McGirt ruling in Oklahoma versus Castro Huerta, which sided with the state, saying in cases like Jeannie's, where the victim is Native American and the suspect is not, the state can still prosecute. Blaylock hopes cases like his family's will inspire the state and tribes to work together.
Tribal nations want what they want. I get it. I mean, I'm Indian, okay? But there's a way to do things. And I think there needs to be more cohesiveness with the state. This needs to stop being such an emotional battle.
The Tulsa County District Attorney's Office tells me that there are a lot more cases just like this one that fall under the newest Supreme Court ruling. The District Attorney's Office says that they will review those going forward. Reporting live in Tulsa, Jonathan Cooper, Oklahoma's Own News on 6.